Cow dairying is about producing more milk daily with proper feeding, milking, and hygiene, where nutrition and management truly matter. With modern machines and better cow care, dairying ensures comfort, healthy udders, and a steady income from high-quality, safe milk. Cow breeding focuses on improving genetics through smart selection, mating, and advanced AI techniques. It ensures better calves, stronger fertility, and a superior next generation using data, DNA, and careful lineage tracking. What are RuRo's aim and mode of operations? Dairying or breeding? RuRo is well planned and founded by a techno farmer after extensive study and brainstorming with elite and experienced farmers. RuRo's focus is fusion of both dairying and breeding. You may think that how is it possible? Follow with me for BreeDairy.
RuRo has chosen HF, which are proven for high milk and best surrogates to produce Gir, Nellore, Ongole, and Punganore.
RuRo has very good roots and connections with finest labs in India to produce IVF and ET cows at Chinnapachila. I strongly believe genetics are wonders of modern days. Let's meet the queens of dairying and breeding.
HF cow Sony owned India's milk record of 87.7 kgs in 24 hours.
Brasil, Dirlando Marília, FV Teatro de Neilo, produced 100.3.6 liters in a day.
Nellore breed cow Viatana 19, auctioned for 40 crores in Minas Gerais, Brazil, set a Guinness World Record.
Always. These are proving how valuable elite genetics can be. Aren't you feel wonders of genetics?
India's dairy sector is valued at over 8.5 lakh crores, larger than the combined worth of rice and wheat hirite.
The Holstein Friesian isn't just a cow pori. It's a smart investment on 4 legs, built for technology-driven dairies. This is Gopika, signing off with gratitude. Namaste.